Hello and welcome to the Kaun Banega Smart Buyer channel. Today we are going to share top 5 best tripods available in the market. So at number 5th spot in our list is Benro T880X digital tripod. The tripod is extremely light because of the aluminium used to build this webcam and does not promise stability among the other tripods. But it is a surety of the lightweight and a small folded height and high portability, but you can experience a certain jiggle and teeter that is sure to bother you while taking shots, and that goes against the product. Main features are maximum loading capacity of 3 kgs, material used is aluminium, weight is 1.45 kgs, extended height 57.48 inches, folded height 18.50 inches. Cost you around 3000 rupees and the link is in the description. The next at number 4th spot in our list is Vanguard CX203 AP Espod tripod. Vanguard has been delivering tripods in the market at affordable prices without compromising quality. For serious enthusiasts and amateurs, Vanguard has aimed at the Espod CX203. The tripod can hold most of the DSLRs, allowing you to work with a lot of different cameras. The build quality is just amazing that it is built with aluminium, which is not too heavy and can accompany you on long trips. To give it better grips, it comes with the rubber grip on its legs, and sturdy flip-flops are a bonus. The height can vary from a meager 590 mm to 1500 mm, which is a pretty decent range to work with and has a single bubble level for precision. Main features are maximum loading capacity of 3.5 kgs, material used is aluminium, weight is 1.1 kgs, extended height can go up to 61 inches, folded height is 22.625 inches, and this will cost you around 2600 rupees and the link is in the description. Next at number 3rd spot in our list is Tygot Gorilla Tripod / Mini. For durability and long life, Tygot flexible Gorillapod tripod is built with high quality ABS material, which makes it heavy duty product. This material and build ensures safety of mobile phones, cameras, DSLR and tripod during rough usage. It has a sturdy hold on angle while shooting and comes with a 360-degree rotation function for perfect photography and videography. For different devices, it has a great load bearing capacity for heavyweight devices as well. Main features are: for great load bearing capacity, it comes with an anodized finishing rotating spares. Heavy duty, durable, high quality ABS material ensures safety of the devices. The universal of 1/4 inch screw secures the mount. The clasp lock with fail-proof mechanism ensures secure tight angles while shooting. This will cost you around only 300 rupees and the link is in the description. Next at 2nd spot in our list is DIGITEK, model number is DTR550LW tripod. For low light shooting, DIGITEK DTR tripod provides a stable camera support, long exposures, panning shots, panoramas and more. This is a perfect tripod for professional photographers. The features come with this tripod is user friendly. The compatibility of this tripod is with the most of the video cameras, digital cameras, still cameras, GoPro devices and smart devices adapters as well. Main features are: it has an operating height of 5.57 feet and maximum load capacity up to 4.5 kgs. Aluminium alloy legs have non-slip rubber feet for sturdy placement. The legs come with 3 flip-up locks for adjusting the height of each leg on uneven surfaces. The 3-way head allows easy change of orientation of the camera. It comes with a clip lock system. This tripod will cost you around 1200 rupees and the link is in the description. So the wait is over. The final in our list at number 1 is Amazon Basics 50-inch lightweight tripod. The Amazon Basics tripod has a sturdy and strong design made of aluminium. This tripod can go up to 50 inches of height with its 3-section lever lock legs with rubber feet. Because of its compact and collapsible design, we can easily move to different locations, which allows you to carry it with you in the zippered bag. On the other hand, the quick release plate ensures smooth transitioning and movement between shots and locations. Main features are: the tripod weighs 560 grams only, either for digital video or still cameras. It has a 360-degree swivel and tilt while the knob secures into position with a 3-way head. Comes with a quick release mounting plate to release your camera fast from a tripod so that transitioning and moving between locations become quick. Section lever locks can be adjusted to a full height of 50 inches. The extended gearless center post helps in movement and adjustment of height. Made with sturdy aluminium. Has a collapsible design which allows you to be folded, legs can be contracted and the handles can rotate downwards. And it comes with a zippered bag. This tripod will cost you around only 580 rupees and the link is in the description.